Okay, once you have a full melody for your 12-bar blues, the next thing I'd like you to do is compose a little improvised solo for the next round of the 12-bar blues. So I've got my 12 bars here, and for the next section I'm going to need to repeat them. So I'm going to press Control C. I'm going to need to do that again, one moment. So I'm going to press Control C, go to the next empty bar, which is bar 13, and then I'm going to press Control V. Okay, and then all of a sudden I've got these bars here. Now if I want to present this nicely, I can select the bar line after every 4 and just press Enter, and it makes your composition score a little bit neater. Now I've decided I want to use a different instrument for my improvised solo, so I'm going to go on I, and I'm going to select a harmonica. I'll just move it to the top so I can see it nice and clearly. Now then, your improvisation can have a different part to your melody. So we want it to be different to your melody, and we want it to explore a range of different notes and rhythms. So I'm just going to show you a little 2-bar of example of how you can go about this. So I'm going to start with a nice long note on the harmonica. Okay, so I've started nice and long, but then what I can maybe do is use some quaver notes, and then okay, so this is what my improvisation sounds like to start with. If I just get the play panel, I'll be able to scroll along. So if I just move it here. Okay, that's the end of my melody, and here's the start of my solo. Okay, so that's a little bit of a solo, and what you can then do is try and make it last the full 12 bars and see if you can come up with some cool, interesting ideas. It doesn't have to be a harmonica, it can be a saxophone, it could be a xylophone, it's completely up to you, whatever instrument you prefer to use. But the key thing is that you have at least one full improvised solo that you've composed over the 12-bar blues progression.